Meet the sharpshooter of the underwater world, the archerfish. If you love animals, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's continue. Archerfish have a superpower. They spit powerful jets of water to knock insects out of the air with sniper-like precision. From meters away, they calculate distance, angle, and even account for how water bends light. True natural-born snipers. One shot, one meal. In a world of hunters, the archerfish rules with skill, not strength.